You know, something very funny happens every time I open a package of Dulse. I love this stuff. It's just a seaweed, very salty flavor. As soon as I start touching it, take the elastic off, open it, take some out, what happens? This happens. You happen, don't you, buddy? Why? Cats wouldn't like seaweed, would they? No, you wouldn't. You would never eat that. You're a carnivore. Loves it. You love it, don't you, buddy? Every time. He was just sleeping in the closet. Aren't you? Hey. No matter where he is in the house, I know as soon as I touch that bag, he's gonna wake up, come out here for his piece. Seaweed cat.